चुड़ैल is a state of mind. It defines you. जो एक इंसान जिसने शायद ठोकर खा के उठा हो.
Who has a lot of clarity. Who has left confusion behind.
She's fierce, loyal, and independent. She stands up for what she believes in, and she also doesn't fit into any mold that society might have created for her.
She's a woman who is strong, independent.
लेकिन एक cause है जिसके लिए वो हर वक्त लड़ने के लिए तैयार है.
Who knows what she wants and she knows how to get it.
She's empowered. She's also a churel because she is taking decisions for her own life. She is leading, which is usually considered just to be a man's role.
तो चुड़ैल सिर्फ वो नहीं होती है जो बस बाहर जाके शोर मचा दे. चुड़ैल एक ऑल राउंडेड इंडिविजुअल है.
वो एक मर्द भी हो सकता है और एक औरत भी हो सकती है.
जो लोग चुड़ैल होते हैं उनके साथ थोड़ी तसल्ली रहती है. You know you're in good hands when you're around a चुड़ैल and someone will tell you exactly what's what.
You know, all the witchcraft folklore, all of that was about women being burned at stake because they had crossed the limits that were set for them. And even now, I think it's become a very prominent metaphor. The woman wanting to control her life and take ownership of it, and a woman who is looked down upon by the society.
Mom, because once I remember this plumber tried to touch me inappropriately and my mom beat the shit out of him with a shoe.
I've been raised by very strong women. My grandmother, both my grandmothers actually.
The most smartest churel I have seen or met is our director Asim Abbasi. He's educating us. He's giving us awareness. He's inciting us. He's questioning so many truths of our society.
चुड़ैल बनने के लिए सबसे पहली चीज चाहिए ताकत.
A bit of pizzazz, a lot of drive, ambition, not taking any shit, a lot of color.
Officially done with everyone's shit.
मुझे इम्प्रेस या इंस्पायर किया है तो मीरा नायर ने किया है बहुत ज़्यादा. मैंने तो उनकी नकल करके एक आधी सी फिल्म भी बना ली लिख भी ली उसी से इंस्पायर होके. आई वुड से दैट अबाउट शबाना आज़मी as well as an actress.
There's this female comedian, her name is Shrishti Dikshit. She's amazing. She is so funny and she is a smasher of the patriarchy and she also has no problem being herself.
Kangna Ranaut, she's opinionated, she's headstrong, she is not scared.
Rekha, I just love her. She's been a feminist well before we even knew what it meant.
दुनिया की चुड़ैलों को मैं ये मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आपको कोई कहे कि आप चुड़ैल हैं तो आपको इस पर फख्र होना चाहिए. आपको खुश होना चाहिए कि वो आपको पहचान गए.
Give a part of that to other women and lift them up and embrace them, help them embrace themselves as churels and make your girls and boys into churels so that they can carry on this mindset of what a great churel one can be and how misunderstood churel is.
So be proud of it. Embrace it. It's time to change the game and it's time to make churels the in thing. Go for it and don't be scared. Don't be afraid of it. It's not a gully. It's actually something to be proud of. Always be a churel. #churels. Churels forever.